everyone. Hello sir, good morning, good afternoon, or good night everyone and sir. My name is Ivana Jovita Rumayar, and today I'd like to talk about something that's shaping our future every single day: emerging technology and the ethical consideration behind it. Let me begin with a short story. A few years ago, an artificial intelligence system was used to screen job applicants. It seemed efficient and fair until people realized that the system was unintentionally favoring male candidates over female ones. This situation made many people question, can technology really be a neutral? So today I will discuss three main ethical issues in emerging technology. 1. Privacy and data security. 2. Bias and fairness. And 3. Human responsibility and control. 1. Privacy and data security. Let's start with privacy and data security. In today's digital world, our personal information is constantly being collected. Every click, every search, every message, it all becomes data. Companies use it to improve service, but sometimes it's taken with our consent. For example, in the famous Cambridge Analytica scandal, millions of Facebook users had their personal data used for political advertising. Without permission, this incident made people realize how fragile our digital privacy really is. Ethically, protecting privacy means respecting people's rights and freedom. Companies must be transparent about how they use our data, and governments should create strong laws to prevent abuse, like the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR in Europe. And as individuals, we also have a role. We need to be more careful about what we share online, because privacy is not just a privilege, it's a human right. 2. Bias and fairness. Next, let's move to bias and fairness. Many people think technology is natural, that machine cannot discriminate. But in reality, technology is built and trained by humans, and it often reflects our own biases. For instance, facial recognition systems have been found to misidentify people with darker skin more often than those with lighter skin. In some cases, this had led to unfair arrays. These problems show that even smart systems can be unfair when the data behind them is biased. From the ethical point of view, developers should ensure that the technology they create treats everyone equally. That means using diverse data, testing algorithms for fairness, and having people from different backgrounds involved in the design process. Because fairness in technology is not optional, it's essential for justice and equality. 3. Human responsibility and control. Lastly, let's talk about human responsibility and control. Technology today can make decisions on its own. Self-driving cars, AI doctors, even robots that can teach children. But what happens when something goes wrong? If a self-driving car causes an accident, who should take responsibility? The passenger, the car company, or the programmer? This question highlights the biggest challenge: making sure humans stay in control. Ethically, we must ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Humans should remain the final decision makers, especially when it involves safety, justice, or life and death. Technology can help us, but it should never replace our empathy, values, and more responsibility. So to conclude, emerging technologies are incredible. They can make life easier, faster, and smarter. but they also bring serious ethical challenges. We have talked about privacy and data security, bias and fairness, and human responsibility and control. Each of these reminds us that while innovation is important, ethics must guide every step of it. In my opinion, technology should never move faster than our sense of responsibility. As Albert Einstein once said, it has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. Let's make sure that in the future, our humanity always leads the way. Thank you very much.